Well, taking a break right now to do other stuff because it's a lot of work and I don't necessarily handle bending over a lot. So anyhow, I've only got 2 rows left, one of the longs, and looks like there might be one on top of that and then another row of the supports. So it's not too many left. And this is how I have them staged out here. Tried to put them all numbers together, but you know, they did fall down while they were in the storage before I got to pile them up, because clearly I had to put the panels down first. So, y'alls. And with one bad thing about doing it this way is you can really see how warped some of these are. Oof. Alright, now to clean up some of this area. Yay, got a lot more done than I anticipated, which is pretty nice. Got the nice tape so you can actually see the outline, plus it's not, you know, 11 o'clock at night, like last time I filmed. So, taking a walk through there, enter, go around, there's going to be something in the way so that they can't just, whoop, you know, walk past the whatever is going to be in here. That way, enter the spider area, and then exit out there, yada yada. They enter in here, can't walk on the walkway yet, but got these supports really shored up. They aren't going anywhere. Not that they would, but you know, sometimes people are scared. Look at that, they can't even move. I love it. Anyhow, got all that done, and I already showed you how setting up the support beams on the other side. Once we reattach those to the panels, those will start going up. But that's next weekend. So excited. Yes, I know. I gotta remember to stop standing next to the AC unit when I'm filming. So sorry. If not, it just sounds like in the background. So anyhow, yes, I'm excited. Of course I'm excited. Why would I do this if I wasn't super excited? It's all coming together finally. Hello, crows. There's so many crows up in this tree. It's glorious. Actually, there's so many crows in this area. But they really love to hang out in these trees. I don't know if you can see how many are up there. I can see at least 4, but, you know, they hide. I think that's a nest right in the center, right over there. You never know. Why must they nest so high? Anyhow, back to the haunt. That's it for today, and we'll do more soon.